Let's see how we can create simple GraphQL server which can print the static string. Okay, so open your VS Code, create new folder and open new terminal. Okay, and then first we need to initialize this project with the npm. So npm init --y, and after that you can see package.json is there. Okay, then we need to install two packages. So first is GraphQL, so npm I or npm install is also fine, GraphQL, and another is Apollo server. Okay, wait, it is Apollo/server. Okay, hit enter. So Apollo server is a server library which will use to create the GraphQL APIs. Okay, so let's just create our main file index.js, and inside this we will write our code. So let it install. Okay, once it's done, you can change the scripts in the package.json. So give the start script and it should execute node index.js. Okay, so let's run npm run start. So this will execute this command, which is node index.js. So currently we don't have anything, so that's why it is blank, but okay. So first we will need to import the Apollo server. So import Apollo server from @Apollo/server, and then we need to import standalone it is start standalone server from Apollo server/standalone. Okay, so in GraphQL there are 2-3 things. So since we have simple application which will just print the queries, right? So one is query, then other main definition is type definitions, then resolvers and mutations. So those are the couple of things. So I will explain one by one. So first look at the type definitions. So these are the things which we will mention that okay, this greetings, this query is going to return the string. So that's what is type definition. So let's do that. So const type deps and type query and here greeting. Okay, and it will be of type string. So you can do this slash hash and GraphQL. So once you do that, it will apply styles. So to apply that, you need to install that extension. So it will highlight the syntax. Search for GraphQL. Okay, so this extension, if you install it, it will highlight the GraphQL syntax, and you just need to add hash GraphQL. Okay, once you do that, let's continue writing our code. So once the type definitions are done, next thing is resolvers. So const resolvers equal to, and in resolvers are basically definitions that we are going to bind. So in here we can say that we can query the greetings. So that's what we are saying here. Okay, so user can make those requests, right? So in query greetings and this will return hello world. Okay, we just created our first binding. So basically the query greeting will be available, okay, to make the request for the APIs. Yeah, then second thing is, now we have type definitions and resolvers. For this video we will keep it simple and we won't look at the mutations. Mutations are basically we can give the data. So how we make request to the HTTP post, we when we submit email or password or any detail, right? So we can modify the data. So that's what the mutation is for. So, but we are not looking at the mutation right now. So let's keep it simple. So first we need to create the server, new Apollo server, and in here we need to pass type depths and resolvers. Okay, so why I have written like this, because it is essentially this type depths, and we need to mention this type definitions. But since my type depths name is same as the key, that's why it is basically a JavaScript feature. I don't need to write that repeatedly because both names are same. Okay, so in this case also. Then next is const. So once the server is created, we will get the data. So we will use it here. So const info equal to await start standalone server, which we imported at the top, right? Apollo server standalone. And here we need to pass the server we created at top and couple of parameters, that is listen, that it will listen on that port. Yeah, so listen port 9000. So basically our server will start on 9000, and in console log we can print that. So console log server is running on, and info.url, this will print the server URL. So info is the start standalone server. Okay, so let's save this and let's start our server. npm run start. Okay, so one thing is that by default Node.js applications are going to be running on common JS model. So that's why it is saying that set the type of model. So just go here and type model. Okay, type model. So this is important. So do that and let's try it again. Okay, so it says server is running at 9000. So let's go to the browser and let's refresh our server. So by default, since we are using Apollo server library, it will open the sandbox for us. Yeah, this one, and it will show nicely that what are the queries we have right now. So we have only greetings, right? And it will return the string data type. Yeah, so if I just query greeting, so query greeting and run,